how to delete all saved posts on Instagram at once. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to delete all saved posts on Instagram at once. So now without further ado, let's get started. So here, first thing first, open the Instagram app on your phone. And now here, once you're inside the app, just tap on the profile icon shown in the bottom right corner of the screen. And now here, once you're inside the profile section, just tap on the three dash icon shown in the top right corner of the screen. And now here, once you're inside the settings section, just tap on saved. And now here on the next page, you can simply scroll down and just beside the reels and post, you'll see the option labeled as manage. So simply tap on it. And now here on the next section, what you can do is you can just keep on selecting the post and the reels that you want to delete. But here, unfortunately, there isn't option to select all posts and reels at once. So for that, you have to select the post that you want to delete one by one. And now here, once you're done selecting all the reels, you can just tap on unsave and confirm it. And once you do that, all your saved posts on Instagram will be deleted at once. And that's it. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.